In this video, we'll show you how AI Power Recruiter works, a system that automates and optimizes the entire recruitment process. You'll explore its features, see practical use cases, and learn how it can transform the way your HR team works. We'll go through the entire process from creating a recruitment to hiring a candidate. Let's start from the beginning. The recruiter begins by reviewing all active recruitment processes. Even the dashboard layout can be adjusted to personal preferences. Depending on the work style, they can choose a classic list view for fast scanning or the Kanban view, a board with columns for visual tracking of candidate progress through each stage. This way, it's instantly clear where each recruitment stands and where action is needed. When creating a new recruitment, the recruiter enters the basic job parameters: job title, experience level, type of employment, location, and salary range. A key element is the organization profile. This includes the company description, industry, organizational culture, and values. These details help the system adjust candidate evaluation to the company's unique context. The system works for both internal HR teams and recruitment agencies. In the latter case, you can manage multiple organization profiles and run parallel recruitments for different clients. After defining the organizational context, the recruiter selects a recruitment process, which determines the stages the candidate will go through. The system supports multiple processes. You can have different recruitment flows saved for various types of roles. Each process is a predefined set of stages that guide the candidate. The recruiter chooses one, and the recruitment automatically follows the chosen path. If needed, the stages can be edited at any time. Next, the recruiter builds the job profile. First, they outline the role's responsibilities, what the person will actually do day to day. Then they add the must-have skills and qualifications. Finally, they set priorities by weighting each requirement. This helps the system identify candidates who truly fit what you're looking for. The final setup step is an automatic compliance check with the EUAI Act. The system verifies that selection criteria are neutral, non-discriminatory, and legally compliant. Once everything is configured, the candidate analysis begins. And this is where the first wow moment happens. The system imports and processes CVs automatically, whether it's dozens, hundreds, or thousands of applications. What would take recruiters weeks, the system handles in minutes. Every application from the first to the thousandth is analyzed with the same precision. Using the job parameters, company profile, and weighted requirements, the algorithm doesn't just match keywords, it truly understands context. The same skill set might be rated differently in a fast-paced agency versus a steady corporation. The result is a clear candidate ranking, built on objective scoring. The system recommends top candidates for the next recruitment stages. Depending on preferences, this can be fully automated, with the system qualifying candidates based on scores, or semi-automated, with the recruiter reviewing suggestions. Qualified candidates automatically receive stage-specific forms to fill out. And this is where AI Power Recruiter reveals its real power. You can create unlimited forms with any number of questions. From soft skill questions to test cultural fit to technical knowledge assessments, for every question, the recruiter can choose from over a dozen analysis types, from classic technical scoring to critical thinking, problem solving, authenticity checks, or potential for growth. The system even suggests which analyses to use, and multiple analyses can be run on the same answer. One response can be scored simultaneously for content accuracy, authenticity, problem-solving skills, and growth potential. Once submitted, answers are automatically analyzed using the selected criteria. The system can even detect inconsistencies or attempts to present oneself in a better light. This comprehensive approach builds a detailed, multi-dimensional profile for each candidate. The recruiter sees not only their position in the ranking, but also a full profile: strengths, development areas, and alignment with the role and company culture. Candidate communication is also fully flexible. Depending on the recruiter's preference, they can manage all communication manually using personalized templates, or let the system do it all automatically. In the automated mode, the system sends thank you notes, invites to next steps, reminders, and status updates. Candidates receive timely, relevant updates while recruiters save valuable time. During interviews, the recruiter steps back into an active role, but they're well prepared. They come with a complete candidate dossier, AI scores, comments, strengths, and flags. The system can even suggest which areas to dig into deeper, what to verify, what to clarify, where to focus. This lets the recruiter concentrate on what really matters, getting to know the person, their values, way of thinking, and overall fit. This is where experience, empathy, and intuition come into play. The system delivers the data, but it's the recruiter who leads the conversation, senses nuance, and makes the final decision. Often, however, the decision isn't made by one person. The system works perfectly in complex organizations where many people are involved. Access permissions are fully flexible. It can operate in solo or multi-user modes. In team mode, each participant gets a tailored level of access. Managers see only candidates for their team, directors get shortlist summaries, and lead recruiters have full access. The system automatically controls who sees what and when. When interviews are complete and opinions gathered, the final decision is made. Once the decision is positive, the system can automatically send a form requesting the candidate's details for the contract. When submitted, the system can generate the contract ready for signature. The entire process happens online, with no need for manual data entry. From start to hire, the time is reduced by up to 99% compared to traditional methods. And excluding the time candidates take to fill out forms, the system's actual work takes just a moment. During this time, it analyzes applications, processes form responses, runs multi-layered evaluations, and generates rankings. What once took weeks now takes minutes. No messy spreadsheets, emails, or folders. All data is in one place. Every action logged for full traceability and future optimization. And just as importantly, the system offers the option to build a talent pool from candidates who didn't fit this role, but might be perfect for another. With their consent, of course. When candidates agree to stay in your database, their profiles, scores, and history can remain accessible. It's a potential investment in your organization's future. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you could tap into a pool of verified talent. It's worth stressing, AI-Power Recruiter is not a rigid system you must adapt to. It's a fully customizable platform that adapts to you on 3 levels. The first level is recruitment configuration. For sales roles, you can add fields for sales results, negotiation skills, relationship building, or market segment experience. For technical roles, programming languages, agile teamwork, troubleshooting, or systems architecture. For marketing, campaign creativity, data analytics, trend awareness, or strategic thinking. The second level is candidate profiles. Here you can collect the information you need, always keeping data protection principles in mind. Within legal boundaries, you can create comprehensive candidate records, from contact info and job history to certifications, projects, and test results. All sections populate automatically from applications, forms, and analyses. The third level is recruitment forms, a true powerhouse. From text fields to rating scales and multiple choice questions to full competency matrices, forms can be tailored to any stage: quick screening, in-depth testing, or final data collection before hiring. Forms can be reused as templates, saving tons of time. Each form is instantly available via a link you can send to candidates. You can also customize its appearance with your company logo, brand colors, and welcome messages. Candidates complete everything online in a friendly, branded interface. But the real magic happens when all 3 levels work together. The system understands the data flow and builds a consistent information ecosystem. A tech test result doesn't just sit in a table. It adjusts candidate ranking, changes their status, and updates their profile. Language skills declared in a form go directly into the candidate's language section. Preferred working models are instantly mapped to contract details, helping recruiters prepare the right offer. Every bit of information has a place and purpose. The data isn't just stored, it works, it connects, it paints the full picture. Like a well-oiled machine, every cog fits and moves with precision. And most importantly, once the configuration is built, it becomes your company standard. You can copy it, improve it, build on it. The system adapts to how you recruit. AI Power Recruiter shortens recruitment time by 99%, offers full customization, and aligns with your organization. Now you know how to turn recruitment into an efficient, automated process, and focus on what really matters, choosing the best candidates. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see how AI Power Recruiter can work with you, not instead of you, let's talk.